Look. What's that?
It looks like a flying chair.
Wow, it's fantastic.
Can we experience the flying chair?
Of course.
But it's too high. How do we go up?
Why is there no seatbelt? We will fall.
Please wait for a minute.
A few moments later.
Oh, I found a good seatbelt. Please raise your hands. I'll help you fasten your seatbelts.
Wow, thank you. Can we start now?
All right, let's get started.
Can you be faster?
Okay, sure.
Please accelerate.
Okay.
Can you go any faster again?
Okay, I set the speed to the fastest.
Oh, it's too fastest. I'm so scared. I want to stop. Please.
Okay. Are you guys okay?
I feel dizzy.
Me too.